Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Threads profile private. It's quick and easy, so let's dive in. First, open the Threads app and head to your profile page. From your homepage, tap on your profile icon to access your profile settings. Once you're on your profile, tap on Edit Profile. Here, you'll see an option for Private Profile. Simply toggle this option on. After enabling it, tap on Done and confirm by clicking OK. That's it. Your Threads profile is now private. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.